How to add stickers and emojis in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device and load the project where you want to add stickers or emojis. Next, move the playhead to the part of the video or photo in your timeline where you want the sticker or emoji to appear. Then look for the stickers or emoji option in the editing tools, usually marked with a smiley face icon. Tap on it to open the sticker and emoji library. Browse through the available categories and select the sticker or emoji you like. Tap on it and it will be added directly to your video. You can resize, rotate and drag the sticker or emoji to position it anywhere on the video frame. Once the sticker is added to your timeline, you can also adjust its duration so it appears only for the desired length of time. Feel free to add multiple stickers or emojis in different parts of your video to make it more fun and engaging. Now you know how to add stickers and emojis in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.